Hey guys, it's Dan with Farmscape Foods and Catering here. I'm making a Japanese pork and mushroom stew, so I figured I'd show you how I make my pork broth for that. I have some pig's feet and bones in from Manor Farm, so I figured it's a good opportunity to show you guys how to make a broth that you can use just to drink in the morning. You can use it in soups and stews and other sauces as well. But yeah, hope you enjoy. So here I have 2 pig's feet and some bones I had in my freezer from a smoked ham that we've done. So I have that, and I'm going to blanch those, and then I have in my oven, I have the rest of my bones are roasting away here, and once these are roasted, and once these guys are blanched, then I'm going to combine everything together, add some fresh water to it, and then simmer it for probably close to 10 hours, maybe a little bit more. Alright, so we have our stock here. It's been simmering for about 10 hours, and this amount of action you see here is a little bit more than you typically have for a stock, but for this purpose we actually want to emulsify some of that fat into the stock to give it some body. So I've skimmed probably close to 3 cups or so of fat off of this broth since it started, but by simmering it a little bit harder, we're going to get a richer stock that way. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to add in some mushroom stems and some mirepoix here. I'm using shallots, leeks, celery, and carrots there. There's some garlic, there's some ginger in there as well. So we're going to leave this for another hour or so, and then we're also going to add some kelp product to this and make somewhat of a dashi broth out of it. Alright, so our mirepoix's been in the stock now for about an hour, and now I'm going to add some kombu, mix that in, leave it for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add some bonito flakes after that, and I'll show you that as well. Alright, so I just added my bonito flakes into the broth. I'm going to turn the heat off and let it steep for about 5 minutes before I strain the broth, and it will be ready for us to use in our stew. Alright guys, that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find a link in the description below to our online ordering where you can get some of that Japanese pork and mushroom stew. It turned out really nice. You can also find a link in the description below to the co-op where you can get some of our food, as well as dozens of other local suppliers. You can get their products delivered straight to your door every week. And Saturday Market is on again this week from 10 until 2 in Duncan. So don't forget, no matter how you do it, support local. Thanks guys.